welcome to this video. Today I am showing you how to open a Game Boy Classic without breaking it. So stay tuned. I checked it out and it didn't work. And to fix it, I have to open it. So I'm clear. Okay, all what you need to open a Game Boy Classic or any Nintendo product, it's in this small box from China. A tiny little screwdriver. And it's a special one. Specially made for Nintendo products. It cost me only €1 and it's ready to go. If I ever make this open, so. Okay, let's start. Okay, to open a Game Boy Classic you have to remove all these screws. Number 1, number 2, and all the way up to 8. Okay, now I have removed all the screws and I open it. Carefully, to not break anything. Okay. If you open it, you see this ribbon cable here connects the two main boards of the unit. Carefully put it away and it's open. Now you have access to the normal screws and can do what you need to do to fix it or clean it or anything. Okay, I put it all together again and let's see how it works. Okay, works perfectly. Let's play some turtles. The perfect game for the green screen of the Game Boy. Turtles. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.